That's a good girl, Ellie. Daddy's home. Daddy's home. Daddy's chair. Come on. Daddy's chair. Come on. Daddy's chair. Good girl.
You okay?
Simon, leave her alone.
Well, how's anyway, huh? You good? You okay? Hold on.
Simon, leave her alone.
Okay, she's getting a little wobbly. There you go. Fix the foot. Simon, come here. Simon, there.
It's okay, Ellie. It's okay, Ellie. Oh my God. It's okay, Ellie. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, it's okay. It's okay, baby. Bill, will you please pet her? It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay, Ellie.
It's okay, Ellie.
Don't cry.
It's okay.
Make a sneaky.
It's okay. That's a good girl.
That's a good girl.
That's a good girl.
Come around.
Good girl. How you doing?
That's a good girl.
How you doing?
There she goes.
That's a good girl. Let's see your face. Good girl. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Good girl.
Okay?
That's good. You alright?
Yeah, you're good, Ellie Mae.
Good girl. That's a good girl. Ellie, look at me. Ellie, you gonna look at me?
Just let her come out of it now.
Would you do me a favor and just get me a Cheerio to see if she's interested in food?
Yet.
No, just to see if she's interested in food. Just check her awareness. Good girl, Ellie. Good girl. That's a good girl. Hey, Ellie Mae. Are you confused? Oh, there's Daddy. Daddy's got a cookie, doesn't he? Oh, and you're gonna eat that, and you're up. You're up. Good girl. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. You okay? What you gonna do now? You gonna lie down? You gonna lie down?
Hold on. Until I get settled.
That's a good girl. Good girl, baby. Good girl, baby. Oh, that's a good girl. That's a good girl. Mommy knows you. Yes. Good girl. What do you need? What do you need? You want some water? You want some water? Okay, this is what she does when she's waiting for another cookie. Okay. It's okay, baby. Ellie Mae. A tail wagon. Is that tail wagging? Do I see a tail wagging? Are you waiting for a cookie? You are? Okay. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. You want a cookie? Here you go. Oh, we like our Cheerios. Please leave Zevon out of here.
Zevon, come here.